think, but Roxy, you're always eating on this channel. And you're right. But I have this food and I need to finish it. Roxy. Hi everyone, my name is Roxy and I did not forget the Wreck This Journal video. I did not forget the trying beauty products from Asia. Spoiler alert. It's just that I have all this food that I need to finish and so I'm filming all these trying food videos. I hope you don't mind. Today, I want to talk about mochis. If you don't know, mochis are a Japanese dessert. They're like little round rice balls and the outside is usually rice flour and the inside is sweet red bean paste. However, now, especially here in California, the ice cream mochis are becoming super popular and I wanna try them. So I bought 4 boxes, 4 different flavors, and today I'm gonna try them with you guys. And let's start. And they're vegan, guys. I'm so excited. Ta-da! Super cute! And let's start with, so we have mango, strawberry, green tea, and coffee. And I don't know why the mango is so much smaller than the others. I don't know why the mango is being so discriminated against. Let's try the mango first. Oh. Yum! Good! It's really, really good. I love it. I love the texture of the mochi, especially the outside because it's kind of like gummy. And the ice cream inside is really, really good. It's very refreshing. I'm gonna try all of them and then I'm gonna give the votes. Next, fragola. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, cute. Yum! This one is even better than the mango one. I don't know why, but the flavor is so much more intense and it's really good. Next! Okay, now is the time of the green tea one. I don't like green tea, so I'm nervous I won't like this one. Dun, 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 dun. Ew! I don't like it. Gross. This was gross. I don't like this. I can't do this green tea stuff. I'm sorry. I knew it already though. I'm happy. The last one is the coffee one. Because I think I tried it once and I know already I like it. Anything with coffee, I will eat it and I will like it. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, yes! So good! Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so this is amazing. I love this coffee mochi thing. It's amazing. It tastes amazing. And I'm gonna give it a 10. I wanna give it a 10 also to the strawberry one because I'm really surprised I like it so much. Because usually I'm not really a super fan of strawberry flavor stuff, but this one is like... I'm gonna give an 8 to the mango and a 5 to the green tea one. I'm sure if you like green tea, you like it. I can't eat it, I'm sorry. And that's it. And that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments if you heard of the ice cream mochis, if you tried them, and which one is your favorite. I'm gonna leave you a little poll here in the eye as always. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, share it with all your friends, and see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah! Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv, you are watching
Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv, you are watching Roxyrockstv, watching Roxyrockstv.